This is Lexi's mission. Okay, shut up. Okay, really. And then Mariah's gonna run like a horse after she falls. Because Mariah's retarded.
Yeah.
Oh, you're just gonna jump off there? I thought you were gonna like go up there and like.
You're gonna like kill yourself.
You're just
We'll
cool.
have it on tape.
Yeah, pretty much. Suicide. Oh. Ouch. This is like Ninja Warrior. Have you guys seen that show? It's so retarded. I know, it's like but when it's in English, it's cool. That's Mariah. Oh, cry me a river.
That's what I said to my sister.
Cry me a river and drown me in it. I'm like swinging, so the camera's like moving. Sorry, I'm on the swing. Go up on the top of the bars, like right there. You can see it on the camera, but you can't. No, up, over, on top of the green thing. The green thing, right there. I'm pointing to it on the camera, but not on the thing. No, the other one. No, the other one. Across from it. No, the other one across from it. The other one. Yeah, you're so smart. Oh my god. Okay, here we go. Hey guys, stop. Halt, short people. Stop. Maddie, stop. Don't jump. Sorry. Shut up, just jump. Do it.
Shut up, okay? I'll do it when I'm full and ready, okay? Alright, stop.
And zoom out. Or no, I should be zoomed out. Okay, I have it like perfect right now. No. Zoom in. Okay. I have it perfect.
But you have to watch your
Just jump. Take a deep breath. Just think that Gerard, Frank, and Bill Collins are down at the bottom. Just do it. Do it. You're so good.
Oh my god. I'm not doing that whole video. That was like 5 minutes long.
It's 2.5. Here, Mariah, run like a horse. Over there.
No.
Yes.
No.
You were just saying that you wanted me to record you doing it.
No, I said I don't want you to record me.
Oh. Okay, she's gonna do it again.
Do it dramatic. The burning building. I have to jump.
Oh my god. Can be an actress. Not really. Just do it.
I'm going to jump. Farewell, burning building. And on to a better place I go. The unicorn planet.
It's Planet Unicorn, stupid. You have bark dust in your hair, stupid.
I don't care. Look at my hand, it's bleeding.